Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Binance Launchpool for Unifi protocol DAO. Uh, One second please. Okay, firstly we enter to Binance. I will change my language to English. Okay, for we want to participate this launch pool, and for example I have BU said that it is a stable coin 1 USD BU said equal to $1. So think about, I have dollars, digital dollars, and I'm holding them in my spot account. uh, I can earn more money using these dollars in my spot account, spot balance. It is very good. I'm waiting. I have also that money. I'm earning uh, another money with my dollars. It is perfect. You should to come to finance and Binance Earn, and then click launch pool. Launch mean starting. For example, one coin uh, one coin want to for example one coin listing to exchange. This coin gives some that money to Binance, and Binance is separating these coins to its users. The thinking is like this. Okay, now you can stake BUSD. As I said, this is $1. One BUSD is 1 USD. BUSD means Binance USD. One BUSD is 1 USD. So it is, we are calling them, we are calling it, it is stable coin. Stable coin, okay? And you can stake Ethereum, and and we can stake I'm sorry, we can stake BNB. So uh, now there is two launch pool in Binance launch pool page. So what uh, sometimes maybe there are 5 launch pool. If there is more launch pool, it is better for us, because this is pool and some people comes to this pool and we are sharing pools money. So there, if there is a lot of pools, we will get more money, because for example this pool, in normally I'm just I just want to give some example. For example, this is a pool and we are 10 people. If we come here 10 people, we will share, for example, $10, and we will get $1 for per person. If there is two pool, 5 people comes here and 5 peoples go the other pool, so we will get $2. I mean this. So there is now two pools. It is better, it is good. uh, Before this, my BNB is taking at hard protocol. I click stake now because I want to take my money back from this pool. You should click redeem, and then you will click max and redeem, and then your BNB will go to your spot account. In the morning, this annual percentage yield is 8, but Binance announced new pool, DAO pool, so some people leave from this pool and gone to DAO pool. It is, I mean, it is good. And I click the stake now DAO pool. I took my money from hard pool, and I just click redeem, and then I click max and I click the stake. So my BNB went to this pool. Also I can stake my BUSD. Actually I staked my old money in here, but I want to show you how you can do it. For example, in this pool, total BUSD pool reverse is nearly 40 millions Unifi, and today's Unifi pool reverse is 3,333. So total BNB, total BUSD staked is this money, and I staked this money. I should how I can earn this money. I mean, how much I earned from this pool. You can calculate, this like, I mean, for example, this amount divide this, and then uh, multiply with this, and then after that you can calculate. Let's open a calculator. 250 I divide to 92 million nearly, and then multiply 3,333, and 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 one day I will earn this money for one day. Okay, I can calculate this like this. Okay, friends, I showed you how you can participate Unifi protocol DAO to Binance. Also, before this hard protocol, you can participate a giveaway. I I won before giveaway. I will tell you. You will follow Binance Turkish, Blockstack, and Binance TR, and then you should retweet this, and then you should participate these three Telegram channel, and then fill the form, and you can earn $30. Just this. It is very good. And this is my Telegram channel. You can participate my Telegram channel, and you can ask me anything what you wonder. You can ask me, and if you have some Ethereum, you can participate this pool farming in process. You can see farming in process. So this period is farming period is 30 days. Good. And the hard protocol also, it is the same. It is 30 days, but the half period is okay. So this is new. It is very good, and this is completed. You can see. You just click view more. Friends, I hope friends, I hope you liked my video and understand what I mean. And please, just a second, please. Count the Monte crypto count. And this is, friends, my YouTube channel. There is just one subscriber. I need your help. I am recording video for you how you can earn money in my video and the Binance Farming, etc. Please just subscribe to my channel, like my videos. It is very important for me. I need your help. I need your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.